How to add custom fonts on CapCut. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily add custom fonts on CapCut. First thing you're going to have to do is make sure you have your CapCut open. Then what I'm going to do is go to my web browser. So you're going to have to download the font that you want. You can directly type in the name of the font, or you can go to this website called thefont.com. Hit enter and you'll be taken directly to this website where you're able to download different kind of fonts. So you can just go ahead and click on all new fonts here and find the one that you like. So I'll just click on this. And from here, let me just go ahead and scroll down and find this font right here. So right besides it, you have the option to download. So this one is called Manila. So I'll just go ahead and download the font. Now a zip file will be downloaded. So all you have to do is just click on it essentially. And if there are two documents, this is just a note, so you don't have to worry about this one. The real document is this open type font file. Go ahead and double click on this and it's going to show you a sort of a preview of the font. Now what you're going to have to do is click on install on the top left corner and it will basically install the entire font on your PC. So it's basically going to be added to your whole system. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and open CapCut. Once CapCut is open any video that you want. You could also create a new project, but I'll just continue on with my existing project. Click on text and then add a default text. So let's just go ahead and add the text. Click on this plus icon. Now select the text, type in whatever you want. So let me just go ahead and type in subscribe. And now in order to change the font, all you have to do is click on the font here, drop down. Now, once you click on the font option, you can just go ahead and find the system fonts right here. So right up above, these are all the fonts available in CapCut where you see this little download button. But if you scroll down enough far away, you can see the system fonts. Now you're just going to have to scroll through this and find the one that you just downloaded. It's going to be on M. So let me just scroll down on M and it's going to be Manila, somewhere around here. And you could just go ahead and select that font, or you can select any other font from your system, and that's basically it. So that's how you basically add a custom font on CapCut. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.